Hello everyone, welcome back to Technic4's Learning. In this video, I'll show you how to earn money using Quora Spaces. Let's get started. First, let's talk about monetizing your space. Why should I monetize my space? Whether you are a hobbyist or a professional, Quora Spaces gives you the option to earn money doing what you enjoy. Creators sharing exclusive insights can receive compensation for their knowledge. Spaces offering professional services, such as consulting or mentorship, can also leverage Quora's monetization programs to sign up and charge subscribers within one platform. So what is required to start earning with Spaces? To qualify for monetization, Spaces must meet the following requirements. First, the space owner must verify residency in an eligible country. At this time, earnings programs are only available in the English language version of Quora to users who reside in one of the listed countries. 2. The space must comply with Quora's policies. 3. The space needs to earn a minimum of $10 before the owner becomes eligible to receive payouts. Following a standard review of the space by Quora moderation, the review process can take up to 3 business days. And lastly, the owner needs to accept the terms and conditions and connect a bank account through Stripe. If your space did not meet the space's earnings policies, it can be resubmitted for review after changes are made. Next, how do I start earning? If you are ready to enroll in a space earnings programs, follow these steps. If you haven't enrolled yet, on your space, you will see a banner like so. Click on Get Started and select your country of residence. You can also go there by going to your profile picture. Click on it, and from the drop-down menu, click on Monetization. Then again, select your country of residence. And take note, a space's earnings will depend on the monetization program it is enrolled in. Now that you know all the basics of monetizing your space, here's how to increase your Quora Space's earnings. Number 1. Write more posts and answers. Content is the cornerstone in the social media. The more content you produce, the greater number of views it will get, and so the more ad impressions, which will translate to more earnings. The same thing is true for making more money on your Quora Space. Number 2. Add more questions. Quora Spaces will generate you more money even if someone else writes an answer published on your Quora Space. This is great because all you have to do is to add more questions and request 25 people your questions. And number 3, target rich niches. Some niches or topics will pay you higher. Geography is also a big factor here. So if you want to make over $2 per 1,000 views, then the best way is to target traffic from countries such as the United States and the United Kingdom. In conclusion, Quora Space is one of the coolest things on Quora, and you can also add your blog links or anything you have to promote. It is more open and non-moderated pages on Quora. So, go ahead and try it out, and let me know what you think on the comments down below. And before this video ends, did you know that you can drive targeted visitors to any niche from every single traffic source? Free traffic from video, social, and SEO. This app gets you everything. And that is Video Seeder by Technic4, the most powerful video publishing and syndication system invented. It's a top Google and YouTube rankings plus social traffic, so easy that you can do this in your sleep. You can set up campaigns to auto-upload your videos. Single-click upload any video. Create powerful video promotion campaigns. Promote videos to multiple social networks in one click. And publish your videos as articles to multiple blog platforms. And select a huge collection of popular platforms. So, try it out. Just go to videoseeder.in. And that is it for today's video. Thank you for watching, and see you on the next one.